Since childhood, we all love mango fruity. And if I say you can make that lovely fruity at your home, then it will be a wonderful, right? So, how many of you excited and want to try it out immediately? If you wonder, then try this recipe. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story. And this is Smita. So, let's make our lovely fruity. For this, let's check the ingredients. And the ingredients are ripe mango, raw mango, lemon, black salt, and sugar. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, take a pressure cooker, add 1.5 cup of water. Into that add washed raw mango and wait for 2 to 3 whistles. After that, when it cools down, remove the pulp and keep it on the side. Next, take the ripe mango, cut it into 2 pieces and remove the entire pulp and place this pulp into the mixer grinder too. This homemade mango fruity tastes so close to the original, and I can assure you to see happy faces after that taste. It is also better to have mango fruity homemade rather to bring the market one, as it contains too many chemicals. Next, after adding the ripe mango pulp, you need to also add the raw mango pulp. Then add half teaspoon of black salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar, but you can adjust the sweetness according to the sweetness of the mango. Now, close the lid and make a puree out of it. Next, remove the pulp and place it into a strainer. Strain and discard the fiber part. Now, thick, pulpy, yummy mango fruity is ready. Switch on the flame and stir it well. After stirring it for 1 to 2 minutes, then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Again stir it well for 3 to 4 minutes or until it turns little transparent. And when you have done, then remove from the heat and cool it down. If you want to store this concentrated mango pulp, then you can also do so. For this, take a glass bottle, place it into the bottle and then keep it into a refrigerator. It stays well for 3 to 4 days. Now on the other side, let us serve this homemade mango fruity. For this, in the glass, add few ice cubes, then add half cup of concentrated mango pulp and half cup of chilled water. Mix everything well and serve immediately. And if you think today's homemade mango fruity is worth it, then why are you waiting for? Subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload new recipes like this, you get the notification first. And enjoy this cool mango fruity with your friends and guests, and see you again with another new recipe. Till then, stay well, keep hydrated and enjoy summer. Bye bye.